Hi, I'm Gareth. I've recently started Fresh Car Valet covering the Newport and the NP postcode areas. I've had quite a wide variety of background, but most recently I've been pressure washing and gardening. I started fresh, I have a passion for cars, I have a passion for things being clean as well. I'm excited about being able to deliver the fresh brand. I love turning dirty things to clean, if that makes sense. I just like the transformation. When you get your before and afters, it's so satisfying. We're going to get your car clean, we're going to get it detailed, you can get your air filled in your tyres, you can get your screen wash topped up. We're going to ensure that every job is to the highest standards. Now, it's not just about the cleaning, it's the after service, it's the additional services we can offer you. We don't just want your car clean, we want your car safe on the roads as well. You can have your one-off car cleans, but the great thing is as well, we also have the car club where you can get your memberships booked in on a monthly basis. And the great thing is, it doesn't have to just be at home, it can be at your place of work as well. It's really easy to book with Fresh Car Valeting. You can download the app, you can go on the website, and we look forward to seeing you soon.